Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow, 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 soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you.
All right, guys, you're going to love this recipe. Get one of these packs of rolls and make a hole on top of each of the squares. Fill halfway with your favorite sauce. Put a little garlic butter on the bread part. Put a cooked meatball in each roll. Don't mix it! Put mozzarella cheese on top of each meatball. Put a little Italian seasoning on top. Broil in the oven until the cheese is melted. Yes!
Be working.
Don't you dare throw those away. We're making the best banana bread. I can't stress it enough. Measure like this. Sweet. Best way to measure. 1.5 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. 3/4 cup unsalted butter. Make sure the butter's softened, not melted. 1 cup packed light brown sugar. Cream, medium speed, 2 minutes. 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Ripe bananas. The batter's gonna curdle. Going through your wording. Funnel in the flour, low speed until combined. That way you don't make a mess. Spray 9x5 loaf pan. 45 minutes to 1 hour. Oh yeah.
Let's do some cooking.
Like God, I'm a Kage. Whoa, busting my ass on the off days. Whoa, me, I've been working, I grind from the ground, and now you see my drip is so Kage. Kage, no tell me to summon. Never have breaks, no off days. Bitch, my drip hope. Look, boy, I'm a legend, but bound. My presence don't test me, I'm ready. My drip like Hokage. See you and I, we both had nothing in common. I move like a Kakashi, I do shit to bro. Let's go, let's go. Got Shinobi from the unknown. Said I gotta show that I'm with it. I got gusto, not tell fast. I kill him, we all cut doors. Had to put the work in, show him what the work is. Came up from the bottom, now I'm up though. Ayy, stuck up at the trenches, now I'm on my lit shit. Give me serious one punch, oh, What the fuck, ayy? Pass up the race, gotta show 'em my pain when I amp up the stakes. High like a satellite, we can get a scrapping right there with the team, we can run up the fade. Start out a young lame master, one day flex with a team, they love what I say. And when I'm showing up, no one that's cold as us, guarantee I'ma go fuck up the game. Kage, running from the bottom to the top place, young little legend from the village to the my way. Now they tryna copy like a catcher doing cosplay, putting into work, got me feeling like Yahweh. Y'all waiting for the Messiah with the God play. Y'all better stop, y'all better watch. Came through flooded, come my drip, Hokage,
A lot of people have asked me to make this. Yeah, we can do that.
Why did I do that?
I'm gonna start with a barbecue sauce. Small pan. Quarter cup of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. Half cup of ketchup. Half cup of cider vinegar.
1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Onto the stove.
Heat medium. Bring that up to a nice simmer and reduce for 5 minutes. And your basic barbecue sauce is done. It's time to make the sauce.
5 tablespoons of your barbecue sauce.
5 tablespoons of mayo. 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard.
1 tablespoon of shoyu.
1 garlic clove. Grated. Give that some whiskey business. That's the last time I'm saying it.
A magical place. Gonna need some chicken. Oh yeah. Salt.
The nugget. Oh yeah.
Thank you. I'm in class.
Which one is better? Number 1 or number 2? You're goddamn right.
I have seen these salami flowers all over the internet, and I decided to make them for my daughter's first birthday, and they turned out so cute that I made them again for a Mother's Day charcuterie board for myself. All you do is layer the salami over the rim of a glass, and then when you're done, you just flip it over, and you have a beautiful flower.
Sticky pineapple chicken.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Did you know you can make this cheesy plant-based nacho sauce completely from vegetables? I said what I said. Here's how. Take 2 medium potatoes, peeled and chopped, along with a carrot chopped up, into a pot with 2 quarts of boiling water. Boil that for 10 to 14 minutes until tender. In a blender, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard. I also add some MSG, but that's just me and completely optional. Once the veggies are boiled, save 1/3 of a cup of the water and drain the rest. Into the blender it all goes, pulse it until it's all chopped up, scrape down the sides a few times and keep pulsing until it's mushy, kind of like applesauce. Medium speed for 45 seconds, then turn it up to high speed for 2 whole minutes and watch it magically transform from mush into a creamy fluid sauce. You can literally pour it, dip it, whatever. It's totally vegan and relatively healthy.
I'm about to burrow the hottest, spiciest crawfish on TikTok. Who's eating with me? Let's get it, dude. Now add the crab ball seasoning you like. Now we're gonna hit it with 64 ounces of pure red ghost chili pepper. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna have the spiciest crawfish on TikTok. I can promise you that. Yeah! Let's get it, dude. This is straight devil's piss right here. I don't know if that's money, but that's hot as hell. Woo! Right. Crawfish on TikTok got me all nervous. Let me try them. Shoo, got my nose running, dude. See that? Watch that. Take that like that.